Hello, welcome to session 2 of the Ignite unit, or week 2 of the Ignite speech unit. The dates for this week is September 28th through October 2nd. So you should be reviewing this video hopefully on Monday before or after MAPS testing. So welcome. First of all, I do want to apologize. I know there was a lot of confusion last week because I was supposed to meet with about half of the class on Thursday in small group sessions. That never happened. If you didn't watch the Friday announcement, which I did post this past Friday, Wednesday night I got in an accident and ended up getting surgery on my arm Thursday, and so I couldn't make those meetings. I appreciate the messages that I've gotten from students, and I appreciate it. Things are going a little bit better each day. I will say, please be patient with me this week, probably next week. I'm not exactly sure how long. I've never broken a bone in my body before, but I cannot use my left hand. And so luckily I am right-handed, but I can only really type with one hand, which makes things a bit difficult right now when I teach virtually. And so a lot of my emails and PowerPoints and everything, I'm trying to type with one hand. So be patient with me. I'm going to continue grading your work this week. And honestly, I'm probably not going to give a lot of feedback because the typing with one hand is taking a really long time. But if you do get an assignment and you're confused about the score, all you have to do is email me and say, can you please explain this to me? And I'm happy to talk to you over Google Meets, because at this point, meeting me on video is going to be a lot easier, considering it just takes me a lot of time to type. But otherwise, thank you for the emails. It was really sweet that many of you checked in on me. Okay, so welcome to session 2, Ignite Speech. So at this point, you should have your topic chosen and your research notes completed for your speech. If you do not, you have fallen quite behind already. This is a 3-week unit. I would get going on the assignments from last week if you're already struggling to not have them complete as we start week 2. I would also reach out to me if you need help. So I know that MAPS testing is happening this week, Monday and Tuesday. You're supposed to do the reading test on Monday and the math test on Tuesday. So the way this is going to work for class is that you should still be working asynchronously on Monday and Tuesday in my class. I can't meet you for drop-ins on the Google Meet because I also, as a teacher, am proctoring a group of students who are taking MAPS as well. But you can email me these 2 days, and I will try to answer those questions as soon as possible. So know that even though you're not meeting or I'm not making a drop-in available on Google Meets, you still should be working synchronously. So if you're watching this video right now and it's Monday, you're doing a great job, right? Because this was the first thing you needed to do, even though we didn't meet together like we normally do. We normally meet Monday morning for about 10-15 minutes and I get you started. But you guys have MAPS testing. Hopefully those are going well. To give you a little idea what the week looks like, so Monday and Tuesday, as you can see, are asynchronous, email contact only. You should still be working through the unit. If you're watching this video, that's a good sign that you've completed something you should be doing on Monday. Wednesday is going to be synchronous and asynchronous because I'm going to meet with small groups for 20 minutes each. The same goes for Thursday. So you need to look at the next slides carefully, but if you're meeting with me on Wednesday, it means that you're not meeting with me on Thursday. If you're meeting with me on Thursday, you're not meeting me on Wednesday. During the times you're not meeting me in our class period from 8:50 to 10:50, you should still be working asynchronously on my assignments, right? That's still time that you should be working on my assignments for my class instead of waiting till after school or the weekend. Now, if you have something going on, I get it, but remember, get into the habit of working on my assignments during our class period, even if we're not meeting synchronously. And then Friday is asynchronous work time, but I will have the Google Meet link open to our classroom, and you can drop in at any time between 8:50 and 10:50 and meet with me for questions. So start session 2 in I shouldn't say that. See, I'm having typo issues already. In Unit 2 this week. So, you'll go to Schoology, you'll go to Materials, right? It's thinking because I was already in it. You go to Unit 2 in Session 2, right? You should have found this welcome video at Welcome Session 2, right? And this is what you're working through this week, all right? So, small group meeting will happen Wednesday and Thursday this week. It's going to be the same groups that you were in last week. Now, remember, I did not meet anyone on Thursday because I was literally in the OR at the time we were having class. So, but this week we're going to meet because I can't leave my house this week or go anywhere. So no more biking accidents. Those small groups are here. I'm going to get rid of my little image here. So as you can see, these are the small groups. I've also posted them on Schoology. They're posted in several areas. So this is your group. They should be the same ones that I've given you. You're going to meet at the same time with the same people every Wednesday for the next few weeks. Okay, so it should be pretty easy to remember. If you don't see your name, I apologize. There's so many of you. I thought that I split you guys up. I know I missed a couple kids. Just email me and I'll put you in a group. And then we have Thursday, same thing, right? So we have our small groups, we have the times, and then we have the students' names. So that's when you show up to meet me. So if you're not meeting me till 10 a.m., it means from 8:50 to 10 a.m., you should be working asynchronously on my classwork until you're about ready to meet me. And remember, there are small group questions that you need to review before Wednesday or Thursday when you're supposed to meet me. They're on Schoology. I posted those questions there. You need to be ready to discuss with your small group members. So I'm just not lecturing and talking the entire time. The point is for you guys to start to get to know each other and be able to start having discussion so I can give you participation points for actually coming to class. And then this is what the week looks like. So this is a pacing calendar, which is also posted where you found this video. So you can also click a link to find this pacing calendar if you want to download it. But, this is what you should be doing today, Monday. This is what you should be doing Tuesday. This is what you should be doing Wednesday, Thursday. And this is what should be happening on Friday. All right. So if you have any questions, let me know. But welcome to week 2 or session 2 of our Ignite Speech Unit. Good luck, you guys.